probably wear on a second or third date. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much, and welcome back, besties. Today, dwelling, I'm sharing with you my top 10 essentials or so, okay, that I feel everyone needs to know about. If you want to see what they are and more, please continue to watch. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous, dwelling. So if that sounds like something that you'd be into or want to become a part of, stop what you're doing, drop me your scent of the day, because I love to know what you're rocking. And if you really want to take it a step further, come over and say hi on Instagram. That way I'll know you're truly a bestie. I don't ever want you to miss a video over here. So while you're hitting the subscribe button, which I hope you hit, go ahead and tap the notification bell. It's going to alert you every single time there's a new video on this channel. And without further ado, we are jumping into this video right now. Hey besties, first of all, I want to say a huge thank you to Dior and Magic Links for collaborating with me on today's video. You guys, I have a new fragrance. Well, not really a new fragrance. I have a new body shimmering glow. When I seen this come out from Dior, I was like, I gotta get my hands on it. I gotta get my hands on it. You know I am all about glowing. It is glowing season. It is summer. It is time to put the shoulders out. I love shimmer and I love shining and I love glowing and being hydrated, okay? So I am gonna share a few products with you that are new that I did pick up from Dior, and then I'm gonna share one with you that I feel is a must-have. You've gotta add this. It is just that good. No particular order. Let's start with, okay, you guys. I'm not gonna even hold you or keep you. Seriously, this is like every time I go to Dior, the boutique, every time I go online, every time I go into any of the stores, I'm like, I gotta get a Dior lip oil. I have to. I am obsessed with them, you guys. This right here, I'm telling you about it. You know, I keep one on my desk. This one is empty. It is empty. This is a must-have of the summer. You have got to add this to your collection. I am a lip gloss kind of gal. I'm not really huge on lipsticks. Every now and again, I like to have a good lipstick. It just depends, but I am definitely a gloss girl. I wear gloss everywhere, to the gym, the grocery store, the market, to run errands, here in the house, to watch TV, to watch a movie, to edit. I always have on a gloss. And this Dior lip oil, let me say the right name, okay, is everything. I am stuck with getting the color pink. I just keep getting the same shade over and over. Here is one here, okay, because it's real. The love that I have for this is real. Here is the new one that I recently added to my collection. And then here's the one that I added to the, why am I getting the same color though? Okay, so this is the must-have of the summer. You have got to add a Dior lip oil. It is everything. Why, Cheraye? Why is it so special, you guys? For me, it's because, and I got the same color again. Oh my gosh, cherry oil. Is this cherry oil? Cherry oil. I like what I like. I am going to try a new color though. The next time I order one, I am going to try a new color, but this is my favorite color. So anyways, you guys, the reason why I love this so much, let me just show you the doe applicator on this. If you have friends, girlfriends, if you have one for your boo, your bae, and you don't know what to get them, I'm going to show you two products in here that you cannot go wrong to gift anybody. Girl, is it gift season? It is. Look at the doe applicator on here. That is so full that you only need like one swipe. You know what I mean? It's not one that you have to keep dipping and reapplying and reapplying. You dip once, you apply on, and you're good to go. And that's what I love about it. Okay, so that is my must-have, or my recommendation must-have to you for the summer. Okay, now when this came out, you guys, say what you will. Say what you will. I am that girl. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. When this came out, I was like, I gotta have it. I seen it all over Instagram. I seen it all over Dior's website. I am a Dior girl, so I seen it all over their website. When this came out, I knew I had to have it. I knew I had to have the Balm. Hands, lip, and body, honey. Yes. I love pulling these type of things out of my bag, and you know I have the Lady Dior, so I cannot wait to put this in my handbag and pull it out. It looks like this. The packaging is so sleek. It's so bougie. I absolutely love it. And it just opens just like this. Just slide that back and you can put it here. It's hydrating, it's nourishing. Okay, you can put it on your body, you can put it on your hands, you can put it on your lips. Those are all the places you can put it. So it's multifunctional. You can use it for several areas on your body and on your lips. And look at that, you guys. It is rich, it is hydrating, it is creamy. Oh, let me see the scent. I already played with it, but let me just, Yeah, it's a very nice light scent. So if you were to wear this with any of your fragrances or any of the Dior fragrances, it's not going to clash. It's not going to get in the way. It's not going to do any of that. It's very hydrating, very soft to the touch, very supple, and it just leaves your skin looking like you're moisturized and hydrated. And I love this. So this is my next must-have recommendation that I am recommending to you. This is a favorite and I absolutely love it. I love these type of things whenever you're going in your handbag or your pouch or fanny pouch, whatever you have, okay? Your backpack, what have you, and you pull something like this out. So this is my second, okay, must-have. So you have to have your Dior lip oil, okay, all summer 2023, and you have to have your Dior face, body, and lip hand cream. All right, I moved. Now, you guys, another great thing about ordering from Dior is that whenever you order, they give you amazing samples. 2 free complimentary samples. Here's the bag that I got for my 2 free samples. It comes like this, and you know what I do, you guys? I hold on to these bags. I put like my lip stuff in it. If I'm traveling, I'll put like extra fragrances in there, and I save them and I use them as travel packs. So this time I got Eden Rock, which I told you guys I have a full video on my channel on Eden Rock. And then I did get a Dior Addict Lip Maximizer Gloss. And this is so good. And the reason why I love getting these type of samples, they let you request what samples you want. Oh yes, they're fancy like that. And the packaging, if you have not gone over to my Instagram and looked or watched me unbox my Dior unboxings, you got to go see it. You guys, if you want to receive luxury to your door, if you just want to feel like that girl, that guy, you want to feel special, elegant, classy, sophisticated, rich, fabulous, all those things, you want to get your packaging from DiorBeauty.com. They do it like nobody does it, okay? The packaging is just, it just gives layer after layer. So yes, you open the box and then they put the fancy ribbon and then you have complimentary samples inside. Go ahead, I'll have everything linked in the description box below just in case you want to pick something up. But the reason why I really love these and they're this small is because I carry a lot of mini handbags, hence my mini Lady Dior. These fit in with no problem, and it's a great way to try a product before you actually buy it. You know I'm huge on try before you buy. So this here, looks like that there, and it's a great way, like I said, to try before you buy, and this is a complimentary sample. Another good thing is Dior Beauty members, they receive free shipping on all orders. So if you are a Dior Beauty member, Joanna, you will receive free shipping. I love the complimentary samples. They do packaging like nobody else. You can see the packaging when you order. It is truly good. Now, another thing that I did receive, okay, so you guys, let me tell you this. I did receive this. This is Jean Dior. This is the original. This is a fantastic travel set for me. If you were traveling and you were getting something like this is absolutely amazing. And this is why I love their sets. Everything is just packaged to perfection. I could literally just throw this in my travel bag and keep going and I'm set. And this is like really good. This is signature scent worthy. I have full dedicated videos to Jean Dior, the original, on my channel. I've been talking about it forever. Beautiful scent. Also, I have to share with you. So you have the fragrance, right? You know I'm huge on layering. So I had to add this. This is the Jean Dior and this is the Shimmering Glow. It's the golden shimmering glow. And let me show you the color of the bottle. You know, I am a huge fan of white and gold. I love white and gold. And this is what this looks packaged like. And I love the attention to detail. If you could see here, it says CD in there, Christian Dior. And we're all here for that. And then on the top of it here, it says Dior, you guys. When I opened it up, because I'm a huge fan of body shimmers. I know, you know, I'm not new to them. I have tons of them. But a lot of times, I will tell you the truth. You get them, and yes, the shimmer is there, and that's great and fine. But really, to me, what makes a body shimmer stand out is it scented? Does it smell like the fragrance or whatever they're intending for it to smell like? Or is it just an oil or a gel or, you know, something of that nature? When I opened this up and I just went, it's so scented. It's so scented. It smells fresh. It smells clean. It smells like Jean Dior. It smells like the fragrance. It is so super scented. And that's what I was concerned about. I'm like, oh my gosh. And when I got it, I was like, okay, so you really do smell like it. Now, I really do want to be fancy. I wish I had my gold spatula so I can dip it in and show you, but I don't. I just have this cute little Q-tip here. So I'm going to dip it in and just get a little bit. And you guys, the consistency of this, let me just tell you, It's not oily. It's not gonna stick to you. It's like a gel. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It is so soft. And it's not big, glittery flakes either. It's very finely milled, very super tiny, very classy and elegant. You look like you have a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of shine, but a whole lot of class. Because it's not overdone. You could put this on, you could barely even see it. I mean, you'd have to get really, really close to see it. But you see how hydrating it is? And this is it in its first like layering. It hasn't dried. Just give it some time. Oh my God, that is so pretty. I'll get it up close, you guys. Don't worry. I'll get it up close. That is so pretty. Oh, I love it. And this is how it looks here. Oh my gosh. It just left it so glowy and so dewy, and I'm all about a summer glow. And oh, let me just show you what it looks like here. So this is what the consistency of it looks like. Really nice. Like I said, it feels like a veil. It feels softer than a gel. It's scented. It smells fresh, clean, and inviting. It smells like a sophisticated woman's dwelling. It smells very sophisticated. And I love this. It's just class. It's class. Okay, so this is a must-have. If you like to sparkle, shine, if you like the shimmer, if you like the glowy, dewy look, definitely get your hands on this. I cannot wait to take the shoulders out, okay, because I've been hitting the trap muscles. I cannot wait to take my shoulders out. It's shoulder season, and I'm gonna glisten them up. They'll be hydrated with my body cream. Then I'll go in with my body shimmer and place this on top. And when it dries down, you guys, now that it's dry, it's not tacky or sticky, so it's not gonna stick or get, you know, messed up on your clothes or anything because it's dry. It's not even transferring to anything, so you can see that there. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, Dior, amazing job with this one. I love it. Okay, I move on. You know, I was telling you that I'm hugely attracted to blush right now, and I just can't stop. And I'm buying all pink blush, and I wanted to come back and follow up with you guys because in my last video, I shared with you the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Blush. And I'm still loving it, and I'm still using it. And I don't know if I'm ever gonna get through it, you guys, because you get a lot. I use a lot, but it doesn't even look like I've made a dent. You could build it up, you could build it down. If you're into blush, if you're a blush girl, I would highly encourage you to experience it. They do have other shades, they do have other colors, but this one right here is my fave because it's pink. I told you guys, I am loving white, but at the moment, I am loving pink. I'm like, oh my God, I've totally become like a pink girl now. So yes, I would highly recommend this. Oh, and Father's Day just passed. If you didn't get to get your boo, your bae, anybody something, and you wanted to gift them something, you can gift them my fragrance that I absolutely love. So many people are like, oh my God, Sauvage. You guys, I love Sauvage. I think it is so uber sexy. And Dior now offers refillable bottles for Sauvage. So they have a really huge bottle that you can go in, you can buy it on its own, and you can refill the bottles. Now that's what I tried to do. However, darling, you have got to make sure that you have a refillable bottle to refill. Girl, what do you mean? Let me show you. This is it here. I got a travel size one here because I love this on my guy and we're always traveling and I pack his fragrances as well as mine. And I'm like, let's go. A lot of times I do a lot of unisex fragrances. So his, mine is just ours. But this one right here, I love on him particularly because it's so uber sexy. And whenever we're going out on date night and he wears this, he already know you got to stay real close. Because this is like a girl magnet, a woman magnet. I promise you, when you wear this, guys or girls, I mean, this is going to get some attention. Be prepared. This is going to get you some attention. I don't care how many people talk about it. I love it. This right here comes off like this. So you see how this comes off like this, and then you can take your refillable bottle and you can actually pour it inside, twist it, and then put it up. I did go into store and play with it so that I can share and show you guys exactly how it's done. But this, for the most part, if you're wanting to save some money and you're wanting to reuse your bottles, this is how you would do so. It makes for an amazing gift. So you can pick this up on DiorBeauty.com as well as the refills. And also you do get your free shipping as well as you do get your complimentary samples. So it is a win-win. You can pick something for him, pick something for you. Everybody's happy. That's how I like to shop. A little something for you, a lot of something for me. Everybody's happy. Also, I wanted to mention this. If you're looking for summer in a bottle, if you're looking for fresh, clean, because I know a lot of you tell me, Cheraye, I work, I can't wear a lot of fragrance. I've said it before. I'll say it again. Try this. This is a body mist. I could be making this. You guys, mine is like really, you can't tell because it has the same color, but no, you can't tell. Forget it. But it has a really nice dent in here. I'll probably get through this through the end of the year, and then I'll need another one. But this is the Parfum Christian Dior, and this is like the milk, the one that comes out kind of white. This is something you can apply right out of the shower. This is something you can apply as an easy reach. This is something that can be signature scent worthy. This is something you can wear anywhere, especially like work, church, brunch, a business meeting. You know, it's fresh, it's clean, it smells like lavender, it smells like a day spa. Tons of videos on my channel regarding this. I wanted to bring it over because it gets a lot of love in my collection. That's what it looks like. Do you see the little white mist on my hand there? Do you see that? That's how it comes out. And I always just like pat it into my skin. It's fresh, it's clean, it's no hassle, it's no fuss. If you wanted to take it to the next level, you can layer it with the Jacques Dior body cream, and you can actually layer the fragrance on top of it, helping to ensure longevity and helping it to give you a beautiful sillage. So this is a great fragrance to try. If you have not, let me put that on your radar. It is really good. I move on. 2 fragrances. If you're looking for something for spring, for summer, for year round, just depending on where you live, get your nose on this one here. This is Miss Dior Bloom and Bouquet, a video on my channel. I spoke to you guys about it a little bit ago. It's bergamot, rose, musk. It's like fresh, clean, perfect for spring and summer, perfect for hot weather, beautiful wet and day scent. If you have not tried it, I would highly recommend it. It's really good. This is something like when I tell you guys about it, I always put it into date night category because that's what I love doing, dating. If I were wearing this, the place that I would wear it to, oh my God, it's so fresh and clean. This is an easy reach too. You can wear this anywhere. This is like a first date kind of fragrance. This is a meet the parents kind of fragrance. This is, oh my God, it's elegant. It's classy. I would say that as well. It's really good. This is really good. This is one that, like, this isn't my hot, heavy, sexy, oud, leather, oak moss. This isn't doing that. This is pretty girl, pretty woman, elevated, classy, sophistication in a bottle. But I'm not age defying it. I'm just saying that that's what I get when I would say who I would recommend it to or where I would wear it to, brunch, high tea, luncheons, shopping, you know what I mean? That type of vibe is what it gives me. This is Miss Dior Bloom and Bouquet. Also can be picked up on diorbeauty.com. Another one, this right here. Now this is fun. This is playful, but this is Miss Dior Rose and Roses. I picked this up last year when I went to the Dior event, and this is really nice too. This one to me is rosy. It's really floral, but it's a playful kind of floral. It's not like heavy. It's not like too in your face. It's not sticky. It's not stuffy. It's a fresh take on floral, and it's absolutely beautiful, and it's perfect for right now. This is another easy reach. This is a one and done. You can put this on. This you could probably wear on a second or third date, and it'd be like, okay, I see you. It is one of those. This right here is a beautiful fragrance. Another one I would highly recommend getting your nose on if you have not gotten a whiff of it. I move on. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I could not wait to share these summer essentials with you. Some of my faves, some must-haves. If you have not tried the Dior lip oil, I vouch for it. You have got to try it. The blush, the fragrance, the hand cream. You've got to put this in your handbag this summer, darling. It's all the rage. Also, you guys, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer them. If you want them answered any faster, make sure you come over and slide in the DM and let me know on Instagram. A huge thank you to Dior and Magic Links for collaborating with me on today's video. I truly appreciate you. Like I stated, you guys, everything will be linked in the description box below, along with links so that you are able to shop something should you choose to pick anything up. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely